This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well, now let's shift to the gold market. The gold market shows the really tremendous price action in the recent trading sessions. That's in general we should be ready for due to the situation that now is developing in the United States. Well guys, right in the beginning I would like to share with you my thought. I have announced it in the Euro video, but we'll repeat it here as well. First of all, probably we will not get the numbers on the unemployment. We will not get the numbers on the non-farm payrolls on Friday because the Department of Labor doesn't function, and it is closed now due to the government shutdown period. So they just do not have enough employees to calculate the statistics and to release it. So only according to the news that was announced on the TVs today, it's about the 3 people just working in the Department of Labor currently. So that probably the data will be postponed on some future. That's the first idea, and the first news. But the idea is as follows: that guys, what will happen if the government will continue to be shut down till the October 17th, when the debt sale date will come, and it will need to make the solution and the decision whether to raise the debt sale or not. Even when the government is normal functioning, they spend a lot of time to discussion and on to the bargain between the Democrats and Republicans concerning the debt sale and so on. But when the government is shut down, how this situation will be resolved, and this in fact the major worry that now stands on the market. And if the government will will remain to shut down as we start to approach to the October 17th, well, it's really could lead to the significant action and doom and gloom on the financial markets. This will put under question the world financial system. That will be really the challenge. So I don't know even the word how to call it, the situation, because the longest period of the government shutdown was during the Bill Clinton president term, and it lasts for the 3 weeks and 21 days. So till the 17th of October we have not much, about the 14-15 days. Well, who knows what will happen. Well, now speaking about the technical picture in gold market, we see that our target has been completed yesterday. Don't pay attention to these candles. That's again the Alpari UK. They always shows the incorrect candles when some significant action happens on the gold market, but they will fix it on the next day. That should be the long candle to the downside. Somehow they correctly shows the hourly chart. In the hourly chart it looks like it should, but on the daily time frame it's a bit just huge gap showing. Anyway, market has hit the support area, the 618 major support from this thrust up, 1275. Also take a look, that is the monthly, October monthly pivot support 1, and market already has tested it. And now that's also the minor target from this ABCD pattern, A, B, C top, 618 extension. Also that low was the target of this top grabber pattern. Okay, trend currently holds bearish, and now we have a major moment to watch for. Previously we said, guys, that when the market for a long period stands in some range of some huge bar and later will shows the breakout out of this range, the next step to watch for closely is whether market will return right back in this range or not. If market will fail to hold below this area, and will return right back inside this range. You should be ready for the opposite breakout and moving up the height distance equal to the height of this range. That will be approximate to the previous highs around 1450 area. That is possible. And now we should keep a close eye on this development. That is the major moment that we should be focused on the current week. In the shorter term perspective, we know that its support market now shows the upward direction. Also, guys, in the short term perspective on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that still we have this butterfly. The target of this butterfly hasn't been hit just for some tight range. Not quite has been hit, so you can see that market stops a bit early on the monthly pivot support, one on the fib support, but the target of this flag pattern has been completed, because if you measure the mast of the flag and count it to the downside, some sort of the ABCD action, then you see that market has reached the minimum target of the flag breakout to the downside. So it's right here. Now is the major question with the butterfly and with the potential return right back inside of this range of this candle. Okay, that's the moments that we should keep an eye on. Currently, I do not see much to trade here on the gold market. So if you have the shorts position, well, I think that it makes sense to take the profit at least partially and watch for the development. So if market will return right back inside of this range, it's better to take the profit totally. If market will continue to coil somewhere around these lows and holds below these lows, then probably market will first reach the target of the 127 extension of this butterfly, and we'll see what will happen later, because the move below this low will also move prices below the monthly pivot support one, and that will be could become the significant sign of weakness, because usually when the market stands in the retracement, this upward action, the support one should hold the bullish market, and if market will pass through the support, weekly pivot support one, this means that probably this market is not bullish anymore. That's why this low is also significant from that point of view. And if market will pass through this level, move below the weekly pivot support one, monthly pivot support one, holds below these lows, well, that in fact will be the free space. I will show you free space between this low and that high, because that is just the 618 support. Maybe this will be the 768, but that is the minor fib support. That will be just the target 100% of this ABCD. But in general, moving below the monthly pivot support one, this is just the event of the different degree of the higher time frame degree. And in fact, for the higher time frame, for the monthly time frame, for the weekly time frame, this area in fact is the free from that support. That's the last major support, and that is the previous lows, 1175. So that's why the current action and what market will show us here, this will be very significant as for the short-term perspective as for long-term perspective. And guys, keep in mind the idea concerning the depth sale on the 17th of October. We should keep an eye on it, because that's could become, this is really the G point, in fact the X point of the October, and in general for the financial market, this will be really significant.